Before buying a clutch for your 7.3 Powerstroke, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Real buyers are definitely talking about performance issues and compatibility hidden in the fine print. Product number 1, Duhel Fan Clutch Adapter. Let's kick things off with the Duhel 6.0L 7.3L Powerstroke Diesel Mechanical Fan Clutch Adapter, priced at just $9.99. What caught my eye was its ability to convert your mechanical fan clutch from an electric setup. If you want a reliable, easy transition for your fan system, this is worth a serious look. This adapter is a lifesaver if you're dealing with the older Ford models from 2003 to 2007. It lets you switch from the electronic fan assembly to a mechanical one, which can enhance durability and performance, especially for heavy-duty applications. The chrome-plated design not only looks good, but also promises longevity, which is crucial for anyone who drives their truck hard. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 137 reviewers, it's clear many have found it effective. Now, some users mentioned that switching to a mechanical fan might trigger soft codes in your trouble codes. Here's the thing though, it's a minor issue that often doesn't trigger the service engine light, so it won't affect your driving experience much. This is perfect for you if you want to maximize your truck performance and durability with a straightforward installation. Skip this one if you're not comfortable working with mechanical components. For under $10, it's a steal. Now, if the potential error codes bothered you, the next option takes a different approach without such concerns. Product number 2, AC compressor and AC clutch. Next up, we have the Buy Auto Parts AC compressor and AIC clutch, which will run you $149.98. What stood out for me is its guaranteed exact fit for a hassle-free installation. If you want a dependable AC system for your 7.3L Powerstroke, this is definitely worth considering. This unit comes fully assembled with a brand new clutch, pulley, and coil, engineered to meet OEM specifications. It's designed specifically for the 1999 to 2003 Ford Super Duty pickups, ensuring you get exactly what you need without the guesswork. With over 63 reviews and a solid 4.2-star rating, users appreciate the performance boost it provides to their air conditioning systems. The 1-year warranty also adds an extra layer of comfort for buyers. However, a few customers pointed out that the installation can be tricky due to the tight spaces in some models. But honestly, if you're a DIYer or willing to seek help, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. The quality and performance make it worthwhile. This is ideal for you if you're looking for a complete AC solution for your truck that won't break the bank. Skip this if you're not ready for a bit of a DIY challenge. With its premium build, the value here is hard to beat. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those heavy-duty cooling needs. Product number 3, 6.0 to 7.3 Powerstroke Fan Clutch Adapter. Coming in at $14.96, the 6.0 to 7.3 Powerstroke Fan Clutch Adapter Kit is another great option. What really caught my attention is its ease of conversion from electric to manual clutch, making it great for heavy towing applications. If you're looking for a heavy-duty cooling solution, you should definitely consider this. This adapter kit works perfectly for 2003 to 2007 Ford models and allows for a seamless transition to a mechanical/thermal fan clutch. Made of strong steel, it's built to last and designed for optimal performance. Many users appreciate that it can handle the demands of towing and heavy-duty work. The 4.5-star rating from 40 reviewers shows it's been well received in the community. That said, some users experience trouble codes when switching to a mechanical fan. But here's the thing. Similar to the Duhel adapter, it's usually nothing more than a soft code that doesn't affect performance, so it's not a significant concern. This option is perfect for you if you tow frequently or need a durable cooling solution. Skip this if you prefer a straight plug-and-play electric solution. For its low price and high quality, this is a solid investment. Now, if you want something more straightforward for replacements, the next product might be what you're looking for. Product number 4, Waterwitch Fan Clutch. Next, we have the Waterwitch Fan Clutch, priced at $81.59. I was impressed by its ability to quiet noisy cooling fans, which is something many drivers struggle with. If you're looking for a fan clutch that enhances your vehicle's comfort, this is worth looking into. What makes this fan clutch stand out is its thermostatically controlled design, which optimizes cooling airflow based on temperature. This means it won't just control noise, it also improves fuel economy by reducing unnecessary power loss. Users report that it fits a range of models, providing versatile options for those driving different Ford trucks. With a 4.1-star rating from 64 reviews, many appreciate the performance and noise reduction. However, some reviewers noted that achieving a perfect fit can be tricky. But honestly, if you verify your model's year and specs before purchasing, you can avoid those issues. The performance it delivers makes it well worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you prioritize a quieter and more efficient cooling system. Skip this if you're looking for a simple drop-in replacement. For the price, it offers great value considering its performance benefits. Now, if you're searching for a complete system solution, the next one might be just what you need. Product number 5. Moss Speedingrod's Clutch Master Cylinder. Finally, we have the Moss Speedingrod's pre-filled Clutch Master Cylinder and Slave Cylinder Assembly at $60.99. What really drew me in is its high durability and performance out of the box. If you want a reliable clutch system for your Ford, this is definitely worth checking out. This assembly is designed specifically for Ford vehicles with V8 engines, featuring high-quality components that ensure immediate performance. It's pre-filled and pre-drained, so you won't have to deal with the hassle of refilling fluids upon installation. It's a great choice for anyone who wants a straightforward installation experience. Plus, with a 4.8-star rating from 20 reviews, it's clear buyers appreciate its performance and reliability. However, some users mentioned that it may not fit older models as expected. Here's the thing. If you have a specific vehicle in mind, make sure to double-check compatibility before purchasing. But considering the quality, many find it worth a minor additional effort. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-install clutch solution with great durability. Skip this if you have an older model that may not be compatible. For its price point, it's a fantastic value considering the performance boost it provides. So, to wrap it up, we've covered a range of options from budget-friendly adapters to complete systems. Each one has its strengths depending on your needs, whether it's heavy-duty towing, AC performance, or a simple replacement. To sum it all up, we explored 5 excellent clutches for the 7.3 Powerstroke. From the Do-Hell adapter's budget-friendly approach to the high-performance Moss Speedingrod's assembly, there's a perfect match for everyone. Just remember to consider your specific needs before making a choice. Happy driving!